Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Spot Grid on KuCoin step by step. Open KuCoin and navigate to Spot Grid, then choose the asset pair you want to trade. Decide your upper and lower price limits based on recent volatility and set grid quantity to control order granularity. Allocate only capital you can risk, monitor performance daily, and adjust grids when market structure changes to manage risk effectively. Start by selecting the asset pair and time frame for your grid strategy. Set the upper and lower bounds where you expect the price to oscillate, then pick the number of grids to control how many buy and sell orders execute. Allocate a portion of your portfolio you can afford to tie up and enable stop loss or take profit rules as safety measures. Test settings with small amounts before scaling up to larger allocations. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical trading tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long screen sessions and late night research. I use them when I'm analyzing markets to stay focused and comfy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Monitor executed orders, available balance, and cumulative profit to understand grid behavior in live markets. If price trends strongly break your bounds, pause the grid or rescale limits to avoid single-direction risk. Consider using partial exits to realize profits while keeping some capital in the grid, and periodically rebalance allocations to maintain consistent order sizes. Small, regular adjustments help preserve gains and reduce the chance of large drawdowns over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.